Hey, my name is Rahul. I had put up this endless idea generator Notion template as part of the Ship30For30 course that I'm attending right now. This helps with generating ideas and managing and tracking them inside of Notion. Now, if you want to get started with this, head off to the idea Notion template and then click duplicate. This should duplicate to your own Notion workspace. Now you should see that on your left navigation menu. This is a copy of the template on your own workspace. So feel free to modify this as you want. So let's say this is Rahul's endless idea generator. Now the overall template has three sections. So if you see, this is based on content buckets, idea generator, and the idea log. So the content bucket is the high level buckets that you plan to write in. So if you want to see more details, you can expand this and you can see all the details inside here. Collapsing that back again, you can define your own buckets inside of here. So let's say you're not planning to write on life advice, you can select that and also modify this title. Alternatively, you can delete it by clicking this dot dot and add a new one using the new button. You can use this for general, niche, or the company specific industry topics that you want to write. Once you have that laid out and know the content buckets that you're going to write in, you can use the idea generator, which is listed down in the next section. This gives three guidelines based on which you can generate ideas, based on the type of writing, main idea, and also the credibility of who is actually speaking. In these examples, I have listed a few of them. Below here, I have listed a few examples. So you can use this as a guideline to generate your own ideas. Once you have that, make sure to capture them inside your idea log. So let's say you've come up with a new general topic regarding fitness, you can write that here as well. So say how to stay fit as a developer. Now this is going to be under the general audience. You can click that and add in your essay details inside of here. Now Notion is a really powerful tool and it allows you to have different views. Here I have grouped it based on the categories. You can also group this based on different criteria as you want. If you want to list all your ideas, you can do that as well. You can also use this to plan your articles. Now let's say for this particular article, how to stay fit as a developer, I'm planning to publish this on the 18th. You can select that date and close this, and that will get saved in here. You can also see these published date inside of the tables that you have on the main page. If you want to create a calendar view, you can click this all ideas drop down here and create and add a view. So let's name this my plan and select calendar and select create. This has created a calendar view and you can see it's already scheduled for 18th. So similarly, you can plan for other articles and use this generator to maintain your plan throughout this shipping cycle. Hope this helps and happy shipping. Thank you.